welcome back to our channel. This is Scientech Learning, and today I will try to write a program to read a number and check whether the number is palindrome or not. So write a program to read a number and check the number is palindrome or not. So first we need to know what is the palindrome number. So definition: palindrome means the given number and the reverse of given number must be equal. Palindrome number means given number and the reverse of given number must be equals. So here if we want to check whether number is palindrome or not, so first we need to check whether the number is palindrome or not. So in first step first we need to take a int n is equal to any number like 1 2 3 and take a int r is equal to 0. After that we need to I is equal to 1 2 3, r is equal to 0 and r is equal to r into 10 r into 10 plus I. And I int I is equal to n modulus 10, and after that n is equal to n by 10 and divide by 10. So here if we are trying taking int n is equal to 1 2 3 and r is equal to 0, so first if we are calculating I is equal to n modulus 10, so here modulus operator calculates the result as a result remainder. So here if we are trying to divide 123 divide by 10, so here remainder is 3, so I is equal to 3, I is equal to 3. And after that, if we are calculating the value of r, then r is equal to r into 10, and the value of r is now 0, so r into 10, 0 into 10 is equal to 0 plus I, and the value of I is equal to 3. So here the value of r is also 3. After that, if we are trying to calculate the value of n, then n divided by 10. So here, if we are trying to 123 by 10, then the value of n we get 12. So if we are again calculating the value of n, value of I, so now value of n is equal to 12. So if we are putting the value of n as 12 and trying to perform modulus operation, then the value of I is 2. And now if we are calculating the value of r, then value of r is 3, and if we are putting the 3 in this individual or particular formula, then 3 into 10 is equal to 30 plus I, the value of I is now 2, then the value of r is 32. So now the value of n is 12. So if we are trying to divide 12 by 10, then the value of n is 1, n is equal to 1. So if we are putting 1 here, then we get n by 1, it's not getting. And if we are putting the value of I is equal to now 1, and now if we are putting the value of r is 32, so 32 into 10 is equal to 320 plus value of I is 1, so it's get 321, which is the reverse of 123. So now simply we are trying to print the value of r, and if you are trying to check the number is palindrome or not, so here simply we are taking an if statement. After that, we are taking an if statement, and in this if statement we are putting a condition like n is equal to r. So inside of this we are simply print this is palindrome number, and this condition is if getting false, then inside of else statement we are printing this number is not palindrome. So let's try in Eclipse. So now we are open Eclipse, and here we have a package com.practice. So here we go to new, and after taking a class So here we are trying to check the palindrome number. So we are taking class name as palindrome, and the class name also started with capital letter palindrome. Okay, so here we are taking a main method and finish. And here we are taking int n is equal to any number like 1 to 1, and int k is equal to n. After that, int I comma I or int r is equal to 0. After that, we are taking a while statement. While n is greater than 0. While n is greater than 0, then I is equal to n modulus 10. R is equal to R into 10 plus I. R into 10 plus I. N is equal to n by divide by 10. After that, we are checking the number is palindrome or not. So here we are taking a if statement. If k is equal to r, k is equal to r, and here if it's get value as true, then we are trying to printing a message system.out.println palindrome number. Palindrome number else if the value of k and r is not equal, then we are printing a message like not palindrome number. So my code is completed, and now we are trying to run my code. So here simply we are do right click and then go to run as and Java application. So here we are taking in as an input 1 to 1. So you can also see the reverse of 1 to 1 is also 1 to 1. So this is palindrome number. If we are trying to change the input as 1 2 3, and after that we are try to run my code. So you can see this is so not palindrome number. If we want to enter the number from user, then simply we are using scanner class. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot n. System dot in. So here we are getting an error, import scanner class. So we are importing scanner class and my error is solved. So after that we are not giving any value to n, and after that we are giving a message to the user, enter the number, enter the number, and after that we are simply n is equal to sc dot next int. So now we are try to run my code. So here you can also see we are get a message, enter the number. So if we are entering a number like 1 2 1 and hit enter, then we get a message palindrome number. And if we are trying to again run my code, so here run as Java application, and we again get a message, enter the number. So if we are entering a number like 1 2 3 and hit enter, then we get a message not palindrome number. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you are learn something from my video, then share my video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries about to this programming code or concept, then you can also ask me or discuss your queries or question in comments. Okay, thank you guys.